HCA means healthcare assistant.
HCA acts as a chaperone in the consultation room. Chaperone is a person who serves as a witness for both the patient and a medical practitioner.
I will order an ECG and blood test for you.
An ECG is a simple test to record information about your heartbeat and the rhythm of your heart.
ECG means electrocardiogram. CK means creatine kinase. TROP-I means troponin I.
Creatine kinase and troponin I are cardiac markers. Cardiac markers are biomarkers measured to evaluate heart function.